Good morning, students. Today we will start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 9, Money. In this chapter we will learn conversion of rupees into paise, paise into rupees, addition, subtraction as well as multiplication of the money. Now first of all, why do we need money? If we want to purchase any of the article, we need money for that. Just to purchase anything, you must need money. See here, all these 4 pictures shows buying of the things. So, if you are buying anything in the market, it needs money. So, first of all, we will see some of the notes and coins which we are daily using. This is 10 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees, 20 rupees. This is again 10, 5, 500. Nowadays this 500 note is getting changed. It is no more of use nowadays. 100 rupees and 10 rupees. All these are notes which are used for the purchasing of the things. And these are the coins. This is 1 rupees, 5 rupees coin, 50 paisa coin. So all these are the coins. So in today's class, we will learn to convert or to write money in figures or in words. So first of all, we will write down the money in figures. Always remember the sign of rupees is this. This is the sign of rupees. And whatever money is given to you, that like 45 rupees. So it is 45 rupees. And paise 80. Paise 80, that means after the dot you will write down 80 paise. Paise will always be written after the decimal or a point or a dot. Here we have to write down rupees 10 and 9 paise. The sign of rupees is this, and then you will write down 10, and always remember paise is always written in a 2-digit number. So 0, 9. Always remember paise is never written in a single digit. If it is given in single digit, make it a 2-digit number by putting 1 0 before that. Now it is only paise 75. Rupees is not given, so we will write down rupees 0 and paise is always written after the dot. This is only paise 2. So again rupees is not given. Write down rupees 0 and paise 2. Again it is a single digit in the paise. So just to make it a 2-digit number, put 1 0 before 2. Here it is 90 paise. So rupees, again 0 because it is not given, and paise 90. Same way you have to do this side questions. This is 75 rupees. So paise is not given here. So only rupees 75. Paise is not given, put 0, 0. Now these questions you will do yourself in your book only. This is 500 rupees, 85 paise. So rupees 500 and 85 paise. So all these questions you have to do in book. Today only you have to complete this exercise in the book only. Now see the next question. Here it is given the amount in figures and you have to write down in words. So first of all you have to write down the spelling of rupees. Here it is given 40 rupees. So you will write down 40 and then this is sign of rupees, so you will write down rupees only. And then you will write down, this is paise. After the decimal, paise is given. Then you will write down and 8 paise. This is only paise 8. Single digit number is given in paise. Here you will write down only 125 rupees. Paise is not mentioned, so we will not write down paise. 125 rupees. In this way you have to solve all this. Now here you can see this is given rupees 0. So no need to mention rupees 0. Write down only 45 paise. So just write down the spelling of 45 and then you will write down paise. As rupees is not mentioned, leave it. Now the next question is rupees 12 and 50 paise. So first of all we will write down the spelling of 12. So this is spelling of 12. Then this is the sign of rupees. You will write down the spelling of rupees and then 50 and paise. Now this is the last question. Here it is given rupees 560. So you will write down 560. Spelling में you will write 560 and then you will write down rupees, and after that only 10 paisa is given. So you will write down 10 paise. This is the end of this exercise. All these questions you have to do in the book yourself. First of all, you just understand the concept and then try it yourself without seeing the video, so that it will be revised once and you will be benefited with this video. After seeing the video, start your work in the book without seeing the video. Okay. Thank you for today. Goodbye.